Hi guys, welcome back to Style with Harriet. If you're new here, you're welcome. Today's video is a kinky cap wig tutorial using the Xpression braiding hair. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then let's jump straight into the video. For today's tutorial, I'll be using this crochet side part wig cap and the pre-stretch Xpression braiding hair in color 30 to create this look. So guys, what I'm doing right now is that I'm taking a medium size of the braiding hair and I'm passing it through the holes of the wig cap, then just pulling it through and taking the two strands of hair together, and I'll loop it twice just to give it that extra security and pull it tight. So guys, you watch this carefully because this technique is different from what I'll be using at the front. So I'll just repeat this process and carry on with it until I get to the front of the wig cap. Pass it through, grab the two strands together and pull it through. So here we are at the top of the wig cap, and I'll be using the invisible knot technique. What this means is that I'll be hiding the knot in between the two strands of hair. So guys, just watch what I'm doing. So basically, pulling it through again, but this time around I will be separating the two strands of hair like so. Then try to figure out which strand is on top and which strand is at the bottom. So I'll pick the one that is on top and I will loop it twice like so and pull tight, and use the one that is at the bottom just to cover it up. And here is your invisible knot. You see how seamless that is. So that's the basic for this technique, just trying to hide the knots and just making things more realistic. So I'm going to be repeating this process again. I hope you guys will be able to figure this out. So look at the direction of my crochet hook because that really matters. So if you're doing the right side of your hair, or your wig, because you can apply this technique as well if you're doing your own hair. So if you're on the right side, let your crochet hook point to the left, and while you're on the left side, let your crochet hook point to the right. So right now I'm trying to figure out the one that is on top and the one that is underneath. So basically the same thing that I did for the first one. So I make sure I don't take the one that is underneath. I will take the one that is on top. So you grab it and loop it twice like so, and you pull tight and cover up with the other one, and that's it. So I'll carry on doing this. So guys, if you have made it up to this point and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. In that way you get notified of my new videos. And for my returning subscribers, if you like this video, don't forget to click that like button and make sure you share with your families and friends. Just show your girl that support. You guys should just continue to show me that support to enable me do more. Thank you guys for always coming back to check out my videos. So I'll just continue doing this until I'm done with the process, and I'll come back to you guys. So guys, I'm back and the hair is done, but we are not done yet. We are done with the invisible method, so we're going to the next step, and this is to create the coils that will give us the kinky look. So yeah, I have my wool thread and I'm just grabbing like 2 strands together with like 3 strands of this hair. This is time consuming though, so you have to be patient. But if you are so lazy or you don't have the time, you can grab as much hair as you want to, you know, but the look is not going to be exactly the same. So yeah, just bear that in mind though. So what I'm doing now, I'm just going to loop the thread around the extension hair, maybe for like 3 to 4 times. Then I'll secure it with a knot. Then I'll continue threading. But when I'm doing this, I'll be giving a gap, so maybe like 2 inches gap. I'm not too sure, but just remember to space it, you know, and don't do it too tight. You understand what I mean by the time we get to that point, you know. So this kind of like African threading, and I know most of us know how to do this. You don't need to be perfect when doing this, you know. So you're just basically threading and just gapping it, just giving it that space in between, so it's not too tight. So right now I'm just pushing it, like I don't know how to explain it, but I think you guys will understand. So I just pushed it backwards, like I just basically push the thread to the root, towards the root of the hair. So just push it to the root of the hair, and that's what I'm doing. So I'll continue to thread, and the more I thread, the more I pushed backwards. I hope I'm able to explain. So I'm securing it now, because if you don't secure it, trust me, everything is going to unravel. So you have to secure it at the end. So you secure it and you just push back as well. So that's what I'm doing, and I'll carry on doing this until I'm done with the whole braiding hair. Yes, and this is what it will look like if you're able to do it like me. So even if you are taking like more strands, you will still have a similar kind of look. So right now I'm just placing it in my bowl, and I'm going to be pouring hot water. Guys, you have to be careful, don't do it the way I'm doing it. You can just place yours in a bucket and just pour the water directly into the bucket. You don't have to hold it like this, you know. Yeah, but just make sure the water is covering every strand. So guys, this is the finished look. I'm just loving this hair right now because it's so soft and it looks so natural. I went ahead and I used this spray. It's called color culture. It's a temporary hair color spray. I will leave all of this link in the description box below. So I use it to spray the roots just to give me that natural effect. Just take a look at the roots, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Who's gonna say this is not my hair? I really like it. Take a look at the back of the hair and just tell me about this movement. Can you see that? I like the fullness of this hair, and I just like the way it's flowing. I so much like it. And you know, guys, you can wear this hair to any occasion of your choice, and you can also part it just like this. You can wear it as a middle part. Yeah, you can wear it as a middle part. You can also wear it as a side part, and there are multiple ways to wear this hair, but I might do a video on how to style this hair later on. But for today, we are having these bangs right now, and I'm just loving it. So tell me what you guys think about this hair in the comment section below, and don't forget to click that like button if you like this tutorial, and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, and stay blessed until I see you in my next one. Bye.